everyone, I'm Dr. Miriam McFarland. Come on, I want to give you a tour of our office. All right, welcome to our office. When you first come in, you will come into our reception area. This is where you will be greeted by our friendly, wonderful staff. Come on back. This is one of our consultation rooms. This is where we do our initial intake and consult with our patients to find out the true cause of their pain or their challenges. Come with me. This is one of our exam and x-ray rooms. We have digital x-ray, and this is where we do all of our neurological exams, all our orthopedic exams and chiropractic exams to find out what is the root cause of your problem. This way we can create a treatment plan just for you to get you out of pain. This is our Rehab Functional Movement Suite. This is where we work with you and our patients to get you functioning better, moving better, getting back to doing the things that you love. Help you with balance, help you whatever issues are ailing you. We give you some exercises, some stretches to help you get better. Come on back. This here, folks, is our adjusting suite. This is where we help you take the tension off the nervous system, reduce your pain, decompress your nervous system. It'll help alleviate all your pain, get you back to functioning optimally. Back here, we have our Regen Room. This is where we provide non-addictive pain management via regenerative medicine, stem cells, PRP, PRF, purified amniotic fluid. That's going to help regenerate your damaged tissue and get you functioning optimally. This is one of our injection rooms. This is another here. This is another room where we do ultrasound guided injections for knees, shoulders, back, and feet to help you get back to walking, playing golf, playing with your grandchildren. It's all non-invasive, non-addictive pain management. We also do soft wave, shock wave in here. We also have our own lab where we do our blood draws for blood work. And then the last room here is another treatment room. This is where we do our cold laser treatments, our dry needling, acupuncture, frequency medicine, cupping, also used, another modality used to help you with your pain, dysfunction, and get you feeling better. If you or anyone you know is suffering with any type of pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, back pain, neck pain, plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, and are looking for natural solutions to your challenges, give our office a call at 708-403-5075. We'd love to see if we can help you get better and get you back to living life like you were intended to. Thank you again.